Hello everybody and welcome to section 4.1. We're going to classify triangles. We can classify triangles in several ways. One way is by angles. An acute triangle, all of the angles in the triangle are acute. That means less than 90 degrees. You could also have an obtuse triangle. One angle in the triangle is obtuse. Now keep in mind it's only possible for one of the angles to be obtuse. Same thing for right triangle. One angle in the triangle is right, and there can only be one right angle in a triangle. Down here it talks about an acute triangle with all angles congruent is an equiangular triangle. So if all the angles in a triangle are congruent, they are equiangular, and we'll also learn that they are all 60 degrees. Okay, next slide here. We can classify triangles by sides. A scalene triangle, no two sides are congruent. That means all three sides in the triangle are going to be different. There's also an isosceles triangle. That's at least two sides are congruent. Now keep in mind that could be more than two sides. All three sides could be congruent. And then equilateral triangle, all the sides are congruent. Down here we have some images. Scalene triangle right here. Notice how all the sides appear to be different. Here we have an isosceles triangle. Two of the three sides are the same. And remember the definition is at least two. It could be three. This picture over here we have a equilateral triangle. Also notice it is also equiangular. Equilateral triangles are also equiangular. The angles are all the same and the sides are all the same. We could also call this triangle an isosceles because it does follow the definition of at least two sides being congruent. In this case, three sides are. Here's an example of an acute triangle. All the angles are less than 90 degrees. We could also say this for this triangle, acute as well. Here's an obtuse triangle. There's our one angle greater than 90. And here's our right angle, right triangle. Notice the one angle down here in the corner showing that it is 90 degrees.